Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Lattydesire. On my channel, I do vlogs, hair tutorials, cooking, and a little bit of everything. Today, I will be sharing with you guys part 2 of how to treat and protect your hair using aloe vera.
We living happy, we living free. Minding my business, doing what's right. I'm living happy, yes I'm alright. Taking chances, I'm doing just fine. Walking on sunshine, I'm living life.
So let's begin. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do it now. And make sure you like this video. Today I will be using the expression braid to do my protective style. I will be using only 2 packs. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna cut the hair in 2 parts because I want it to be long but not too long. Start by sectioning your hair to your preferable suit. I wanted to have like big jumbo box braids, so that's why I did my hair like that. Okay, this was one of the hardest part to do, to part my hair. After which I will be using the elastic to hold my hair so that the braid can stay in longer. One of the most frequent questions asked is if whenever I use the aloe vera in my hair, if I wash it out. No, I let it stay in my hair, and this is why I am doing the protective style, so I can allow my hair to get all the nutrients from the plant and so that it will grow faster. If you decide to wash it out, that's optional for you, but for me, no. So for each segment, I'm going to be applying the hair wax so that my hair will stay neat, because I want this to stay in for at least 2 weeks. So I'm just going to put it to the edge of my hair, around the edges, and then add the elastic band. And you continue the process until you are ready to put the braids in. It's aloe vera. Okay, so start by stretching the weave so that the ends, you can have little ends at the end. I'm sorry guys, I didn't get to show you guys the process. You're gonna loop the hair, and then I did the easier version because I was getting tired, so I just did the braids, the weave like that, then plait my hair into the braid. Try to make sure that you plait it very tight at the root so that the braids won't fall out. Okay guys, remember in the previous video where I mentioned that the color of the aloe vera gel is going to change. As you can see, it's a purple looking color now, and this is why I said be careful of the color clothes that you'll be wearing, because it can stain your clothes. When finished braiding your hair, make sure you hot water the hair and trim the excess hair from the braids. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.